Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last episode, we learned about exception handling. Today, we'll explore STL in C++, starting with vectors and lists, powerful containers that make working with collections of data much easier. Now, what is STL? STL stands for Standard Template Library. It provides ready-to-use classes and functions for common data structures and algorithms. Two popular containers are vector, which is dynamic array, and list, which is doubly linked list. Let's see two different programs to understand them better. To create a vector, we type the keyword vector and then the data type. For example, let's say integer. After that, we write the name of the variable. For example, v here. Let's add some elements. For that, we write the name of the variable, that is v dot, and then write the function push back with the underscore, and then inside the parenthesis we write the value. Let's add few more. Push underscore back, let's say 20. To display the elements, we'll write a basic for loop. For int I equal to 0 and then till v dot size. The size function here gives the number of elements a vector holds, and then we write the iteration and print our elements. To remove the last element from the vector, we simply write the pop function, pop back function. So first we got 10, 20 and 30 as we added these elements, and then we removed the last element, which is 30, and got 10 and 20 as our output. This program here is an example of list. A list is a doubly linked list. It allows fast insertion and deletion anywhere, unlike vectors where insertion and deletion in the middle is slower. To create a list, we write #include list as header, which I forgot to tell you about vectors earlier. And then inside the main we write list, the data type, and then the name. This is how we add elements at the back. To add elements at front, we write the name of the list and then push underscore front, let's say 40. This is how we displayed the elements, and here we have removed the elements from front and from back and then displayed them. I hope you understood both the programs. This table here shows key differences between the features of vector and a list. Vectors are great for fast access. Lists are great for frequent insertion and deletion. This is what we learned in this episode. STL stands for Standard Template Library. Vectors are dynamic arrays, fast access, slow middle insertion, and then lists that are doubly linked lists have fast insertion deletion. We use these containers for efficient and flexible data management. This is what you have to do. The first program is create a vector of integers, add 5 numbers, remove the second number, and display all the elements. The second program is create a list of strings, add 3 names, add front, back, remove one, and display all. If you got that right, drop a pencil in the comments. Like, share and subscribe because in the next episode we'll explore STL, stacks and queues, useful containers in C++.